intelligently, objectively, push all that aside. The method, the how, the pattern set down by the ancients or by the modern yogi with all his pretensions, offering for a certain sum of money the absurdity for exchange of what is called enlightenment. We can, in examining it, see its futility. So we won't in any way concern or be involved in those forms of escapes which is called meditation. So let's be very clear from the very beginning that meditation is not an entertainment. It's not something that you purchase from another, whatever the price be. It is not the acceptance of authority of any kind, including that of the speaker, and especially that of the speaker. Because in understanding this extraordinary problem of living, there is no one authority, no teacher, no master, no guru, because they have all failed. Because each one of us is in travail, is in sorrow, confused, miserable, striving. And it is important, essential that we understand that, and not some mysterious vision. And visions are very easily explained. Mind can produce, believe in anything, and convince itself of anything. And it can play any trick through drugs, through repetition of words, through various forms of self-hypnosis. So we are concerned with life, with the living of that life of every day, the struggle, the pain, the fleeting pleasures, the fears, the despair, the sorrow, the loneliness, the utter absence of love, the crude and subtle forms of selfishness. And of course, there is the ultimate fear of death. So that is what we are concerned. And to understand that deeply, with all the passion that is necessary, meditation is the key, not given by another, not to be put together by any book, by any philosopher, by any specialist. And the quality of meditation is important.